What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and today I'm going to try and repair these headphones. They keep cutting out on this side here, so I'm just going to take them apart. Got like a little screwdriver thing here, and soldering iron, some solder wire, but yeah, let's get into it. So I'm wondering if the wire's loose or something. Never really done anything like this before, but I just got the soldering iron, so I thought I'll give it a go. So this wire here is loose, I think. Let's have a better look. It's not soldered on as much, like the solder's kind of come off, I think, so I'm going to add some more to it. I've never used this before, so hopefully it's all good. But yeah, we'll put that back together. So I will chuck this video up if it worked, so that you guys can try it out for yourself if you want. Very simple really, it's just kind of finicky. But yeah, that's it, so cheers for watching.